things can get messy there. It was a long day yesterday. We went to Pangsu Pass, which was on the border of Myanmar. So that was a completely different side of India. And then we traversed through the plains and up to Haoliang. Yeah, so it's a fantastic journey. 350 kilometers is a long way to do on day one.
And I'm Miss World Japan 2016. So I'm the International Ambassador for Smile Asia, and Smile Asia is the official partner to this Trans Arunachal Drive. Smile Asia provides free surgery to children with cleft lip and palates, and we are very excited and grateful that we can be a part of this journey.
So right now we're at Kaho, which is a bordering village near the Indo-China border. Behind me you can see is China, and we are really close to the border. Even in our phones we can find the networks of China, that is China Telecom that I saw, and one more. So the journey is going really good so far.
A village called Ambok is over there, 17 kilometers away.
Mukherjee, and I'm part of this Trans Arunachal Drive. I'm part of a crew, actually a film crew that is making a web series, and we are trying to basically do something very new, that is create a real fiction show while we are traveling through Arunachal with the real drivers and with the real rally riders.
It's a very beautiful state, no doubt, but what really touched me is the people. The people are very warm, sweet, hospitable, and they are always smiling.
The one thing which really stands out are the people here. For me, the people make the place, and the warmth and the love and the genuineness that we felt, the simplicity, it has really taken my heart.
Arunachal is amazing. It's a state that I recommend that everyone should visit because it's absolutely unexplored, pristine, and the river that you see over here goes all the way up to China. So we will be literally tracing the route.
This is a beautiful state and not enough people come and see it. So this is a great way of getting people here and popularizing the state. And the places that we've been is, indescribable. It's like really amazing.
Solo alo, solo do alo, so di la pengu.
We are exploring Arunachal Pradesh on the all-new Mahindra Thars and the Adventure Scorpios as well. And right now I am in the beautiful town of Zero. This is also known as Zero Valley and is also famous for the Zero Festival of Music. And behind me you can see the local people busy in farming.
Uku toromyoyu si huli keli ku upyorego pa uire.
So how is your experience going so far?
Fabulous. The drive has been really pristine and beautiful, and I'm so glad to be a part of this whole journey, and it's been really amazing.
Sure. We are in Shergaon, heading to Tawang.
Beautiful Shergaon, heading to another beautiful place, Tawang.
the roads in Arunachal, I think, is arguably the best riding and driving roads of India. Honestly.
I think the flora fauna of Arunachal is very unique. I haven't seen this kind of flora fauna. It feels like you could have King Kong or a dinosaur come out, especially when you're going through the hills. The trees, the whole landscape is so beautiful.
By the way, this is lead. We have the Honorable Chief Minister in lead.
We are used to the urbanization of things, modernization of things. So it's such a breath of fresh air that we have a space where we can just be, जो untouched है, जहाँ पे plastic नहीं है, कूड़ा कचड़ा नहीं है, जहाँ पे लोग नहीं है. And I think we should preserve this and not change this at all. So please don't change Arunachal because you are unique and you have to stay that way.